Hey, it's Emma from Jane Iredale, and I don't know about you, but I have been feeling very tired lately and haven't been getting enough sleep. So I'm going to show you how to kind of brighten your skin tone, brighten your under eyes so you look more awake even if you haven't gotten enough sleep. First, I like to use a little bit of Beauty Prep Hyaluronic Serum. It helps to plump and hydrate my skin, so it gives it a little bit more life, especially if I'm feeling tired. Next, I like to use my Smooth Affair Illuminating Glow Face Primer to help give a little bit more dimension, a little bit more glow to my skin. When I get tired and am deprived of sleep, it usually affects my skin first. I then go in with Liquid Minerals. I am the shade Warm Silk. It helps to hydrate and boost my skin while concealing and covering imperfections with light to medium coverage. Next, I use Enlightened Concealer. I use Enlightened number 1. It helps to brighten my under eyes and correct any darkness or kind of discoloration I have under my eyes. Another option is Enlightened Plus if you want anti-aging, protection, and SPF coverage. Then, to set my concealer and foundation, I like to top it off with Amazing Base Refillable Brush. It's a quick, easy way to apply our first ever loose mineral powder in a flow-through vegan refillable brush. I love to spritz my complexion with a hydration spray. Next, I use the brow pencil to help to frame my face and give my brows some shape. I then use basic black eye pencil on my upper lash line to help my eyes look more open and more awake. It also helps your lash line to look thicker, which is always a plus. I then curl my lashes and apply a generous coat of Pure Lash Lash Extender and Conditioner, followed by Longest Lash Mascara. Curling your lashes and applying mascara can help open your eyes and make you look more awake. To complete my complexion, I'd like to add a little bit of color to my cheeks. My favorite way to do that is by using Rose Dawn Bronzer. It adds a rosy tint to my cheeks and a little bit of sheen all in one to help me look a bit more awake and ready for the day. I finish my look by lining my lips with Spice Lip Pencil, followed by Stephanie Triple Luxe Long Lasting Naturally Moist Lipstick. So this is the final look to help me look more awake and ready for the day, even if I'm tired and haven't gotten enough sleep. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, let us know if you have any questions below, give us a like and subscribe. Thanks so much.